Good morning, students. We will start the new chapter today, chapter number 9. As you know that chapter number 8 is now out of syllabus. According to your new syllabus, chapter number 8 is has been deleted. So chapter number 9 will start, and the chapter name is Sequence and Series. This is a very well-known words because in class 10th you most of the things in AP arithmetic progression you have studied. Before you have heard sequence and series both the term. Let me explain something. What about the meaning of sequence? This is a set of some numbers. This is set of some numbers which maintain particular that it follows the particular pattern. It follows the particular pattern. No matter that 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, you know about AP. I understand. But we are not talking about the AP or the GP. We are talking about the particular pattern. Look at, I tell you one thing. So 1 by 2 is a 1 by 2 square. It's a 1 by 2 cube or something like that. It's a 1 by 2. It's a 1 by 3. It's a 1 by 4. It is like that. We are looking for set of some numbers which follow particular pattern. It is called a sequence. And whenever the plus sign or minus sign put between the terms of the sequence, it change in series. So keep remember the word. Why it is when the series will come, when you use a plus or minus sign between the each term, every term of a sequence, it becomes a series. This is very initial language. Now, student, look at. This is first term T1, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. Definitely it must have a nth term. It is called a general term. So we talk about that Tn. I mean to say, if you know Tn meaning nth term, you can find the sequence or any term of the sequence. Like, if I say that Tn is 2n minus 1, any sequence, I don't know what the sequence is, but if I say you that for any sequence, this is general term. Find the sequence. Okay, that's very easy. You can put T1, 2 ones are 2 and 1, 1, T2, 2 twos are 4 minus 1, 3, T3, 3 twos are 6 minus 1. This procedure will be going till long. So 1, 3, 5 and so on. This is gonna be your sequence. So nth term is very important for getting sequence. This is your nth term. At any instant you can find any term of the sequence. Like if you are told to find the 19th term of the sequence, so only you can go with n equal to 19. 2 into 19 minus 1. That is answer. So hope you getting that about the Tn. Tn is called the nth term or general term. So we'll study in first exercise about Tn. Look at, I put some example so that you could understand about that. I'm taking some easy thing. Like question says example number 1. Write the first 3 term. It is 179 page. Write the first 3 term if an equal to n minus 3. In book the nth term is given by an, but I take Tn, so you don't get confused. This is Tn is given and you want to find first 3 term. We need to find first 3 terms. It's given general term. The given is general term. You want to find the first 3 term. In solution, you have Tn equal to n minus 3 upon 4. You put T1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 upon 4, meaning minus 1 by 2. Put T2, 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 4. T3, 3 minus 3 is a 0 upon 4. You can understand. Like these minus half minus 1 by 4 and 0, these are the first 3 term of the sequence. So hope student are getting nothing hard. I know that you can simply do this. Example number 2 we have we are given for any sequence Tn equal to n minus 1, 2 minus n and 3 plus n, and you are told to find the 20th term. You are told to find the 20th term. You can read the question. It is on page number 180, example number 2. You have to find the 20th term of the sequence. You will put only n equal to 20 because this is very powerful. This is the general term, and by the general term you can find whole the sequence or you can find any particular term of the sequence. So you put n equal to 20, so 20 minus 1, 19, 2 minus 20 is a minus 18, and 3 plus 20 is a 23. You multiply all, get your answer in negative format. This whole is a 7866. This is answer. So I don't think it's a trouble. It's very easy for one and all. Look at the next. This is example number 3. Question says, if Tn is given, Tn is defined, or An suppose, okay, now we write An, you don't worry about that. An is defined as A1 equal to 1, An equal to An minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2. So you have to find here first 5 term. Find first 5 terms. This is the thing. It's very easy. Look at, I tell you. A1 meaning first term, which is already provided. You want to find first 5 term, meaning you have to start with A2, A3, A4, A5 because A1 is already given. This is the thing which is specially given, and this is the equation is given for n greater than or equal to 2, meaning here you can put start with n equal to 2 and then greater 1 to 2. Like it's given, we start answer an equal to an minus 1 plus 2. It is given, you put n equal to 2. You can understand it is only given for n greater than equal to 2. So you first take n equal to 2. N equal to 2. What you will have? A2. What about here? A2 minus 1, A1 plus 2. And A1 is already given 1. So A2 will be 1 plus 2. So A2 will be 3. This is none else, but it is a second term. So what you want to find? First 5 term. So again put n equal to 3. Now you can understand. Right now I did put n equal to 2. I am putting n equal to 3. A3 equal to A 3 minus 1 2 plus 2, and students A2 is 3, so 3 plus 2 is a 5. You have got A3 equal to 5. Now I think you have got the concept. Now similar I'll go with n equal to 4. I'll have A4 equal to A4 minus 1 meaning A3 plus 2. So your A3 is a 5 plus 2, you got a 7. And finally put n equal to 5. So you have a A5 equal to A4 plus 2. So A4 was a 5, 7 plus 2, that's 9. So whenever this criteria will be given, by this you can find your requirement easily. Read the question carefully. I don't think it will be any trouble to you. So student, it was a simple thing which I right now discuss with you. Now can we see some question? In 9.1 exercise is very easy for one and all. Question number 1 to 6 are so easy, in which we just have to find first 5 term. Whenever you want to find first 5 term and Tn is given, you need to put only Tn is given, something, anything may be given, like Tn is equal to this given. You want to find first 5 term. What you will do? You will put n equal to 1, you will put n equal to 2, you will put n equal to 3, and so on. So you know that you just put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whatever the 5 answers will be first 5 term. So I don't think it's a trouble. You can do it by your own. Okay. So first 6 questions are same. Again, next 4 question. Find the indicated term. We just want to find the indicated term. You know, it is just given in a question. Like if you put a 7th question, an is equal to 4n minus 3 is given, and inside it is given find a17, a24. What is the simple meaning this? Very simple. You want to find a17 and a24, so put a17 one time, then you will get a 17 term. Then put a24, so meaning n equal to 17. First in first question, in second question a equal to 24. It will be the answer. So in all questions you just have to put the indicated whatever the requirement, that particular n, just put get answer. Okay, so this was a simple concept. And what about the next 11, 12, 13? So this is the same kind of question which we right now have done with example. The 14th question I wish to tell you. 14th question, the Fibonacci sequence is given by 1 equal to a1 equal to a2 and an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 for n greater than 2. Find the value of an plus 1 upon an for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is not a special. You will get, I know that you can easily obtain all. We want to find the value of an plus 1 upon an, and for n equal to 1. Definitely first of all I'll choose n equal to 1. So what it will be? a2 upon a1. So a2 and a1 we are having, we can go with this. So I'll just go with in solution. Take an plus 1 upon an. What is, put n equal to 1. What it will be? A1 plus 1 2, a2 upon a1. Then after a2 and a1 both are 1, so 1 upon 1, answer is 1. This is the first for n equal to 1. Now I'll go with n equal to 2. N equal to 2. Look at, I tell you something special. When you will go n equal to 2, it's gonna be a3. So you don't have a value of a3 now. So okay, what I'll do? This is the first condition. Now, since we are having, look at the thing, an equal to an minus 1, an minus 2. Look at it. This is the equation given for n greater than 2. It means that you will put from 3. Meaning you put n equal to 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. a2 plus a1, a2 and a1 given 1, 1 and 1, 2. You got a a3 equal to 2. Now you can go with, for n equal to 2. You know, you want to find this value. For n equal to 2, what it will be? an plus 1 upon an. So, an plus 1 meaning a3 upon a2. And a3 you got 2. 2 upon 1. This is a 2. So, this is answer. Hope you have got. Now same procedure you will go on. Again you will write, since an equal to this one, you will put n equal to 4. You will have a a4. Then you will go on n equal to 3. So student, this is a very so-called method. Till end you will go with this method. So this is the first exercise. It was very common exercise for one and all. So do this. This is a beginning initialization. So be expert in that. So we will see from tomorrow the next arithmetic progression AP with a full of work. Thank you.